Guys, welcome back to my channel, Simply Steph. I want to take the time to thank you for tuning in, whether it's day or night, taking time out of your busy schedule to chat with me. Today's video is titled, I guess as hopefully you can see on the YouTube channel, it's the unboxing of Ipsy November 2019. Yes, I know it's late and I'm just getting in under the wire. Now, I've had these subscriptions probably for about 2 weeks and I've been just sitting on them. I haven't opened them, so this is, right here is Ipsy. This is the Glam Bag, not the Glam Bag Plus or the Ultimate, just the regular Glam Bag. This subscription, this particular one, the small one, is $12 and they upped the price from $10 to $12. It comes to $12.72 and the shipping is free. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead now. I'm just going to open it real quick and I'm going to reach in and, okay, so something came out of the bag already, but I'm not going to look at that. Anyway, so this is November's bag. With this Ipsy, you always get a bag, whether it be the small bag, middle-sized bag, or the large for the Ultimate, which is, I believe, $50 a month. It does have tax, so like I said, but the shipping is free on this one, $12.72 total. And what we do is we go ahead and we look inside, and it always comes with a card. Okay, and this month is Wild Side is the theme, and inside the card it usually gives you a description of the items. Unfortunately, this one doesn't give you prices. I don't know what that's about. They used to do that. All of a sudden it just stops, so I don't know. Again, I'm trying to do this under a certain amount of time, so I'm going to go ahead and breeze through. I'm sure you guys have already seen this because it's late in the month, and I apologize for that. The first item I'm taking out is, this is an item, we were allowed to choose one item. With any of the subscriptions, I believe you are allowed to choose one. And I did choose this one, I remember now, because I didn't remember. I haven't looked at this, and I can't even remember what's in it. I don't even think I looked on to see what was coming in the bag. But anyway, this is the Murad. I don't know if you can see it. I hope the lighting is okay. I'm still working on that. But this is a Murad. It's the Essential C Day Moisturizer Broad Spectrum SPF 30. PA++, whatever that means. And it is, I thought it was going to be bigger. I remember now picking this. I just thought it was going to be the standard 1 ounce that we get a lot of times in Ipsy, but it's not. It's this little thing right here. I hope my camera can focus on it. And I like Murad products. I actually use them right now. It comes safety sealed. I'm not going to open this right now because I am working on so many other, I have the blue Murad and I'm working on that. So I'm just going to leave that in the box. Okay, that's item number 1, and that's the one I chose. And again, it says, here's your yearly reminder that yes, you need to wear SPF even in the fall. The lightweight moisturizer contains SPF 30 to help shield skin from environmental aggressors and sun damage, while brightening with vitamin C. It's great for all skin tones. Okay, so every morning, this is a little tip, every morning after cleansing, massage a pea-sized amount of moisturizer evenly over your face, neck, and chest. I don't know if a pea size is going to do it, but okay. Apply on backs of hands as well. With the pea size, I don't think that's going to cut it. Anyway, maybe they need pea size, pea size, pea size, and pea size. So that would be 4, maybe like a tablespoon. I don't know. Anyway, don't mind I'm in a weird mood today. Okay, so. And then the second item I'm pulling out, this is the Gigi. They did a collab with Gigi Gorgeous. And honestly, guys, I don't know who she is. This is the first time I've heard of her. I apologize for that if I'm not up to, YouTubers and stuff. I don't know. But anyway, this is touch-up powder. Okay, so let's read about this one. Oh, Gigi Gorgeous Translucent Touch-Up Powder in Translucent. Okay. Named for the YouTube personality, author, and activist. Okay, I didn't know that at all. Gigi Gorgeous is a limited edition and Ipsy exclusive collection of essentials to get you glowing on your terms. Oh, on your own terms, sorry. Use this translucent powder to set makeup and mattify your complexion as you look. So your look lasts all day long. Okay, so it looks like it's a translucent powder. I'm wondering, it's probably in a compact, if I remember correctly. Yes, yeah, it is. It's in a compact. So, and it's just a regular translucent powder. I mean, I'll probably, yeah, see, it doesn't even show up as anything. Okay, so there's that. And I think you can brighten with this. It does have a little bit of a white, I don't know how the cast is, if you take a picture, if it like comes back on you or not, I don't know. This fell out of the bag, so we might as well go ahead and look at this. Oh my gosh, this is a motor brush. I love motor brushes. There's some right here. Oh my gosh, I have like, BoxyCharm gave us a bunch, and I got the set, and then I bought some extra ones, and I love motor brushes. I absolutely do. This one, do I even have this one? I don't know. Let me see, guys. You know what? I do. Is this the same one? Yeah, it sure is. It's a tapered blending brush, I believe. Let me see what it doesn't say anything, so let's read the card and see. I'm not going to open this because it's very difficult and I don't have editing. So, let's see if I can do this without messing it up. It says, yes, okay. Oh my gosh. Yes, you can play favorites. Okay, this hardworking brush precisely highlights, sets under the eyes, and blends on harsh edges. It blends out harsh edges. Oh my goodness. Making it much loved at Ipsy. Okay. With silk touch and waterproof handles. And it does. It has a really heavy, like, it's not heavy. And I'm glad about that because I have carpal tunnel. So if the brushes are too heavy, trust me, I'm stopping 24 times a day to, like, you know, do my eyeshadows and stuff. So I'm glad about that. I'll take brushes any time of the day, guys. For real, for real. I am a brush freak. Okay. I think I said that in the last video. Anyway, third item here is Veritipathy. This is, let's see what this one is. Talk about girl power. Veritipathy Skincare was founded by women in STEM, science, tech, engineering, and math. So you know this serum delivers results. Okay. It uses AHAS, great for acne-prone skin. Yeah, just, that's pretty much it. And then there's a bunch of jargon. But, I mean, yeah, it's good for acne-prone skin. So I'm not wondering, even though I do get occasional breakouts, I was blessed with skin, really good skin my whole life. And then all of a sudden, I just started breaking out like crazy. I don't know what's going on. I have an appointment for a dermatologist just to see. But, oh, and I like this brand. This is a brand that I like, and I'm happy to get this, even though it is itty bitty. Look at that. That's so cute. Oh my gosh. It's really small. Wow. It probably looks bigger on there. I'm not sure. But yeah, okay, well, these are pretty colors. These are, let me see. Oh my gosh, is that taped? Oh my gosh. Okay, guys, this is going to be a challenge because there's plastic around this whole thing. Are you kidding me? Really? I'm going to use my teeth? Yeah, if I want to get it open quick enough, I'm going to have to. Okay. Don't do that at home, kids. Okay, so, wow. Really? Okay, there you go. Whew, that was hard. Okay, so I don't know if you can see it. I don't know if you can see it with this lighting, but there is a bronzy shade and more of a champagne color. I love Petra. Oh, here I go with my terrible swatching. I mean, I know Petra eyeshadows. I've worked with them in the past, and you do have to build them up sometimes, but it's there. I know this lighting is terrible, but it's like a bronzy color. It really is like a true golden bronze. And then you have the champagne color, which would be nice on the lid, pops of color in the corner of your eyes. Even as a highlighter, maybe you could get away with that. I don't know. I'm so pale, so you really can't see it. No, just a little bit. There it is, right here. This one, not so good, but it's beautiful. I mean, I can really tell in here. It's really nice. Okay, let's see what it says about that. Okay, let's see. Time is precious, and no one knows that better than Pixie by Petra. A mom of 4. Wow. Okay. Her multitasking products are made to fit your on-the-go life, made to enhance your eyes shape, and Ipsy exclusive eyeshadow duo features versatile champagne, rose gold, and gold copper, which is exactly that darker shade. That's the gold copper. So I guess you would just, I mean, they're paired up in there. It's easy to do on the go. Boom, 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 boom. You know what I mean? If you had a transition shade, you would be great because both of these are like a shimmer. So you'd be set to go. If you have maybe just another eyeshadow in your bag or something, you got your look right there. Okay, so I think we have, nope, that's it. That was it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yep. So that was the fifth item, not including the bag. So here we have the bag, and it's just a regular old bag. It's got like this leopard skin on the outside, and then like a goldish brown sheer, like, I don't know, it's just regular inside, like the material for inside of the bags. It's got a cute little tassel here. I mean, I don't mind getting these, honestly, to be honest with you, because they're cute. I think you can hold a bunch of stuff in them, you know, and I have them all over with like just little things, like if I want to throw, like each bag has something different in it, whether it's just like mascara or, you know, like a quick look, a more difficult look, a day to night look. I have them separated into bags. I just throw them into my purse and go when I'm on my way. So anyway, so that was Ipsy Glam Bag for November. I wanted to talk to you guys a little bit about maybe doing a video. What I want to try is, I have one more unboxing to do for this month, unbagging, whatever you want to call it, because, and that's the SOS subscription. That's another one I'm pretty new to, but I'm liking it so far. The Slay Glam Bag and BoxyCharm so far are in my top 3, I would say. Ipsy, you know, I like Ipsy as well. I'm probably never going to get rid of this one. I did have Ipsy Glam Bag, but when they started doing the collabs, I canceled. And $50 for the ultimate, I just can't afford that. To be quite honest with you, I just can't. So, what I wanted to do real quickly is I wanted to talk to you guys. Apparently, I have to put 3 videos up to make this a real YouTube channel. So I'm just pretty much sending my link out to everyone that I know. Hopefully they'll subscribe. And by the time I get so many videos up, I'm not sure, like I'm trying to read and learn as I go. So I'm not sure if it's like time-wise, or if you have to have so many videos up or what. But I'm going to do whatever it takes to keep the channel going and, like, you know, get it so that it's in the feed and you can search my name. Because right now, if you search my name, you really can't find it. So I'm sending it to everyone, and I'm trying to get as many videos as up. I have really crappy Wi-Fi, I found out. I'm thinking I have the best Wi-Fi in the world until I tried to upload a video. It took me 7 hours on my phone to upload a video. Now, I know there has to be an easier way. I will figure that out. I'm not exactly tech savvy. However, I can learn, and I will learn. So that is why I'm trying to do this and get this whole channel just kind of set up. So I appreciate anyone who bears with me. I really do. Again, I have an idea for a video. It's kind of a weird one. I think it's been done on YouTube, and I'm sure it has been. I want to do a BoxyCharm versus Ipsy Glam Bag Plus when the boxes seem to be fair. Because, you know, they're both the same price now, right? $25, $25. BoxyCharm was always undercutting them because they were $21. Well, now they've gone up to $25. So I want to kind of open them both on the channel and see which one we like, because last month, this month I should say, or probably by the time you see this video last month, the BoxyCharm, it really wowed me. And I have not had Ipsy Glam Bag in like 3 months. I think October, November. For 2 months I have not had it. However, I am going to keep looking at like the spoilers and see if I'm going to go ahead and sign up, which is something that, you know, I'm waiting on. So as soon as I'm able to do that and get those 2 pretty good boxes together, I want to open them and compare them. Value-wise, I mean, they cost the same about, they both have tax on them. They both do have free shipping. They equal out to be about the same amount, give or take a few pennies, but the retail value of the items combined inside are the ones that's what I want to see. I want to see if I'm enjoying one box over the other. Not that I'm going to cancel either, because I'm, you know, once I find Ipsy and move up, find an Ipsy Glam Bag Plus box that I really want to subscribe to, and then up, you know, bump my subscription up, because I had it and I just wasn't finding it worth it anymore. When they did the collabs, I was out. But if they go back to the way they were, then I will definitely subscribe again and get that. And then I want to go ahead and compare the 2 on one video. Also, I'm going to talk more about the free product, you know, what I was explaining to you guys, how I get free stuff for purposes of review. Tons of free stuff. And if you could just see my house, I'm serious, guys. There is nothing but boxes, stuff I haven't even opened yet. It's crazy. every time someone comes here, they're always asking me, where'd you get that? And like, they don't even do that anymore because they know what I'm going to say, that I got it for free. It got sent to me for free. And they're always about, oh, like, show me how to do it. Well, this is what I want to incorporate on this channel, is like I said in my last video, I want to give you guys tips and tricks, cut your time down into, you know, getting into it. It took me months to learn how to do it, 6 months without anything in the mail coming. I was signing up to the wrong sites. I was dealing with the wrong people, and I found a way to just slide right on into it. You can start almost immediately, and I think it would be, I mean, for me, I love it. I absolutely love it. And like I said, it doesn't cost anything. A little bit of your time. So I want to get more into that. Once I get these videos up and there's enough to be considered like a real channel, then I absolutely will do that. The people who are basically watching me now probably already know that I get a lot of free stuff. My Instagram, if you want to follow me on Instagram, I'm going to link it now that I know how to put stuff below in the description box. I'm going to go ahead and put my Instagram name down there. Follow me on Instagram and you will get an idea, just a smidge. I mean, honestly, just a smidge of what I bring in free, totally free. What is sent to me from companies, from middlemen, from various ways, various methods. You will see just a little glimpse on my Instagram page. So I'm going to try and get a little more active on there. I mean, I am pretty active, but I've slacked off a little bit trying to do the whole YouTube thing. So, but I want to get more into the Instagram so you guys have something to look at and see exactly what I'm talking about. That this is not a sham, that there's, you know, it doesn't cost anything. It is absolutely free and it's great. It not only saves you money, because it absolutely saves you money. And I'm going to explain to that very shortly how to do that, especially around Christmas time. Saves me tons of money. And it just saves me money on everyday things because I get so much stuff that I sometimes don't have to buy it. Like, it's just crazy. So, yeah, I want to, you know, further get into that as the videos progress. Also, I wanted to just thank everyone for supporting me because I was so scared to do this. I still am not, like, fully at ease, as you can tell, obviously. But I keep saying, and I will get better as time goes on, better and better and better. So, again, I want to just thank you guys for tuning in. I appreciate it so much. Again, it's just me in my little simple life, being my little simple self, and having fun doing it. And I just want to thank you guys for stopping by. See ya.